This is going to be a quick, easy, simple video, I hope anyway, where we are going to learn how to download a file, a Fusion 360 file, and then upload it into Fusion 360 so that we can use it for our circle tutorial. Okay, so very important to be able to learn how to download files from your email or from a website. Understand where that file is. Where did you download it? If you don't know where you downloaded it, you can't find it to upload it, right? Okay. So we got to know where we put the file, then upload it into Fusion 360 and use it for our tutorial. Let's get started. You see the screen over here. Sketching and sketching tools. And we're going to go into the circle tool, folders. We are. And this will be more complete later. I'm still putting these folders together, but there's the file, circle tutorial download. All right, I'm going to click on it. And I've already got my course selected. I've done this already. I have a few problems with File Explorer on this computer. I'm getting a new computer, so I haven't invested a lot of time in trying to fix it. I'm going to take this off because I've already downloaded it once. If you go to download the same file twice, it adds a 1 on the end of it. If you do it a second or third time, it'll add another. It just keeps incrementing up in numbers. All right, so I know where I put it. If you look up here, it's in my OneDrive under Courses, under A671. Okay, so I know the location of where I put it. That's up here in the nav, here at the top. I'm going to hit the Save button. Yes, I know it already exists, and I am going to replace it. Yes. Look, down here at the bottom of the screen, my Downloads toolbar has opened. Have we talked about the fact that you need to be using Google Chrome? If you aren't, make sure that you are. Firefox will work too. That'll be okay. Firefox is a good browser. No Edge, please, or Internet Explorer. If you have a problem, I come up and see that you're using Internet Explorer, Edge. Edge, I guess now is basically Chrome, so it doesn't really make, but we're going to stick with Chrome. How's that? I'm going to tell you, you need to be using Chrome, and that'll be my answer to your question until you are using Chrome. All right, so we've got it downloaded. Now, we're in Chrome. We can do a couple different things here. We can get this little arrow up, show in folder. Oh, okay, so that'll open File Explorer for us and highlight the file. If you didn't remember where you put it, guess what? It remembered for you. So show in folder. I'm going to open it. Look there. There it is. Okay. And File Explorer is not responding for me. It takes a second. It'll pop up and work in just a second. And unfortunately, I'll have to talk until it does. What we're going to do now is upload the file into Fusion 360. We're good. I'm scroll down. There it is. It's even highlighted for me. Okay. I'm going to go back to Fusion. Let's just get out of this. I'm going to open my data panel. Okay. How did I do that? Clicked on the little data panel icon up here in the upper left corner, the squares, the blocks. Click on it. And when you hover over it, it says Show Data Panel. All right. I'm going to go home because that's where you're all going to be, more than likely. If you have not already created a sketching project, you need to go New Project. And that new project will be named Sketching. Okay, see how it opened the folder and named Sketching is what you're going to type in over top of New Project and create your new folder. I've already got a sketching one, so instead of clicking on New Project, I'm going to go into my existing sketching folder. Double-clicked on it. And now I'm going to hit the Upload button, all right? But I've got mine. Mine's going to be a little bit more detailed than yours because I teach multiple classes. I've done it over multiple semesters. So I'm going to go in the 21-22 semester 1 folder within sketching. And now I'm going to hit the upload button. I am now in the folder that I want to put the file into. So that's when I hit upload. If you get into the wrong folder and change your mind, that's not a problem. Down here in the location, this is where it is. You can change the location here, okay? Now you have the option of selecting files or dragging and dropping. Well, since I use my show in folder, and notice how I shrunk my Explorer window down, I can drag and drop that file, click, hold it down, drag, and drop. Okay, let's get Explorer out of the way. And there it is, it's showing for me, but it hasn't uploaded yet. Okay, it's there, it knows what I want to do, but it hasn't uploaded it yet. I have to hit the upload button. Lets me verify this is the location. If not, I can hit change location. It gives me my folders. I'm going to keep it in sketching 21-22. There's the location. Yes, I'm not going to change it. That's where I want it. I'm going to click on Explorer is fussy. There we go. I've got control again. Okay, so I'm in the folder. There I am. Upload. Job status. It says complete. Close. And there it is. Here, if I double click on it, it will open. And as you'll understand when we go in to start our tutorial, we'll right click or double click down here on the timeline. I right click and go edit sketch. And there it is. It's opened up for us to work. Okay. That is how you upload a file into Fusion 360.